Right, welcome to part 2 where I'm actually going to build the Wago made out of Lego. So let's just get cracking. Right, this is my little setup with the manual on the iPad ready to go. Right, so about half hour in and this has been very fiddly so far, but it's taking shape. Right, we're about an hour in now and finally the orange pieces have come out. Right, we are nearly 2 hours in and we've got levers. Right boys, it is nearly 1 AM and this is all the pieces we've got left. So we're on home straight. This is it. This is the last piece. And there we have it. We have a big Wago made out of Lego. Right, so I've had a nightmare with the stickers. They've all sort of separated, which is a pain. But aside from that little mishap with the stickers, we've got a big Wago. It's even got the test port, both sides, front and back. And if you look inside, the little clip goes up and down as you lift the lever, like a normal Wago would. Let me tell you boys, this was a lot of fun. And I think the finished article looks absolutely quality.